Oh, it's in first place. That'd be funny. As long as they go straight, I don't care.
That was a good throw.
I just hate behind you because you're my dad and I can just see as a shield.
That's what I figured.
Oh gosh. Fire!
Ooh, tipped over. Again, I didn't film it. New first place. Shark Week! Jesus.
Yeah, too much power. Hey, the sweeper! The sweeper!
Yay! Yeah? Uh-oh. I would hate to have that go off under a fuel tank.
Here's a big rock.
Uh-oh.
Ugly.
Fire off the one.
Ugly.
Uh-oh.
It went backwards. The ugly one didn't work.
Watch it, Tim.
You got a bird spot on your belly there, Ken.
Whoa! Jeez. Definitely a new first place. That's mine. Jesus Christ! There's another one of those big rockets, just so you know. No, somebody else does.
Oh, that's country, but it's taped on.
Yeah, so is mine. Yeah, that's why I had to go put the line out there. That's my second one.
It's about a chunk that big.
Uh-oh, school bus is in the grass. Oh well. They said there were like 42 entries. Into the swamp. And have these races on the highway. Think they'd go for it? This is going to be bad. You had to light 2 different fuses. If they're far enough apart, you can't do it. By the broom!
Watch out! It ain't done yet, right for that tree. Yep. Don't know about that one. Out of way, girl!
Uh-oh. Hannah, move. Get behind a tree or something.
Watch out, Skylar. I got this.
And there might be one that's got a better rocket on it or better running wheels. It didn't move until it blew up. Is that Tim's? So like this one has potential. That's second place, I think.
That's why I didn't jump in. It's gonna blow up right when it came close to me.
Oh my god.
These guys are gonna fly into someone's face.
Not mine. I'll jump.
Jump.
Not mine. Paul's got some that he made up too.
Truck.
Yep, your dad's truck.
On fire! On fire!
So Hannah, did you like mine now?
It was just a rocket.
It had a car attached to it. And I wasn't the only one who did that.
At least they had more car than rocket.
No.
Yes, they did.
They had more car than I did. They did not have more car than rocket.
They had more car than you did. Okay?
That one didn't go.
Oh, we got smoke.
Oh, blew a radiator
Everyone
hole.
look toward it.
There we go.
That'll be a good idea. Yeah, you made it worse. That could have taken his shin.
Oh, Craig. Here we are, Craig.
Anything coming from the other way? Any cars coming? Okay.
Yes!
Yay!
Coming back. Watch out. It's like a bumper car with no other. Oh, she's about to get real. Look out!
Not the big guns getting. I was wondering, man, I was alive, that's good.
Last three cars.
Yep. Yeah, that was nice. Get ready. Raise up. Yep, look at that.
There you go. Here comes the big guns again.
Yep. Yeah, that'd be great.
Did your dad's red, white, and blue one go? I don't recall seeing it.
Here, second.
Hannah said it blew up, so.
Oh, this is an interesting one. Watch out, Tyler. Here it comes.
Ready to jump?
Look like it has a huge rocket on it.
Yeah.
Next one is me. The next one, blame it on this
This car. I don't think it's got the distance to get to where mine is at.